What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time or if you're returning, it will feel like your first time because it's been ages. I am back with a Mukbang Monday, and for today's Mukbang, coming back, I wanted to do something that I have recently been introduced to in my life. It's here in Orem. Easily became my favorite taco place, Holy Taco. Holy Taco. So what do we have here from Holy Taco? We've got, of course, I had to do some actual. Oh, sorry, I actually don't know. I'm a newbie, first time back. No, tacos here. 3 tacos. These are costra. I just feel like I'm saying it wrong, but they are basically tortilla-less. So it's like cheese that they've cooked up, melted cheese, meat in the middle, cilantro, onion on the top. We got a gringa, which is just a tortilla, flour tortilla, kind of a quesadilla kind of a thing. And then got some nachos. This place only does al pastor. Don't have any other meats. And I've got sauces, I got guac, I got limes, I got the works. I gotta make sure this is showing on the screen, so don't mind me. Okay, cool. I think it is, because that wasn't working. Propel, not sponsored, just need a drawing. Let's get into it. So, lime. I'm gonna go, let's go taco. Let's go. Actually, I had to fix something real quick because when I was doing all this, I was like, how did I used to be able to see if something was in the frame? That's how long it's been. I forgot to flip my camera screen thing so it's facing me. Anyway, here we are. Tacos, going in for that first. I did squeeze some lime. That was probably loud. Getting loud and rowdy. It fell. You know? This is good. This is good. A little guac dip. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. See? Noob. I zoomed in a little bit. This is better. I need a little drink. Not too much. I just don't want to get the hiccups. So, whew. Okay, so these, let me see if you can get a good look at these here in the corner before I get cut into them. Wow. Wow, wow. It's probably my favorite item on their menu. Whoa, whoa, sorry. Is these costras. Couple of reasons why. So, here we go, update with my life. Work is taking over my life. Taken over my life. But, grateful. Definitely always grateful. It's just taking a lot of my life. Hence, oh man, I said I was going to go in for this. I started pouring over here. I just put green sauce all up in this gringa thing. All right. Work. A lot. I've been busy. Very busy. Very distracted. Very energy-less or focus-less. So, I've been missing out on this shit. But, I've also been trying to lose weight. lose weight again. Again, my whole life. It's my whole life story. But like in 2020, which was probably the last year. Yeah, the last year I was like consistent with mukbangs. I was doing well. I was losing weight. I was getting skinter. And one thing I did back then was consistently go to the gym, which I need to be doing. But one other thing that I did back then was watch my macros really well. So I like these. The point of this whole story does have a point. These. That's the point. I get these. They're my favorite thing because if I'm have a day that I need to like watch my carbs or have a lower carb day, this is bomb. Yeah, very good. If you like cheese and meat, this is it. If you're someone that's like so on cheese, this is a lot of cheese, so maybe not. Also, I was intermittent fasting today, so this is like my first and probably only meal in my eating window. Very good, very good. So, for anybody that's newly stumbling upon my channel from this video, welcome. And that's crazy because I've been MIA forever. For those if anybody's new watching this is what I do. Food. I love food. I love food. I love good food. And yeah, I like to talk. So, all my mukbangs, I'm out here talking. Talk-a-lockin'. And a lot of my mukbangs, I'm not talking. There are some ASMR ones. And there's also travel vlogs. I do love traveling. I do love food. I love trying food when I travel. So, I usually try to showcase some food things during my travel vlogs. Bomb! I've barely been using some lime. And I get into the red sauce. Looks a little orange to me today. And what else? Oh, so speaking of travel vlogs, I have a upcoming. Oh, let's get some guac, avocado on here. What do I call that? Let's see. I don't know if it will focus on this, but there it is. Dang it. Dropped it anyway. Sorry if you can hear this creaking chair behind me. I'm sorry. So travel vlogs. Oh, traveling. Upcoming vlogs. Wow. I have a Disneyland trip from earlier this year. I have yet published. So there's that. I have California. I'm going to California next week. And this is a different California trip because I don't go to California just to go to California. I'm usually out there for Disneyland. So, we'll be going to, like, I think Newport Beach or something like that. Yeah, Newport. Newport Beach. Obviously going to the beach. Going to be going to the... What is it called? Oh, food. Duh. Gonna try food. Okay, this is the gringa. Very greasy on this side. Over here on the other side. And I'm just gonna, like, get some more things in here. Like, I definitely want lime. A little bit more lime here. I definitely want... I put green sauce in here, so we're just gonna go. Ah! It's falling out. Whoa. It's dripping around. I don't know if you can see that grease. Degrease it if you're not a grease person. Fire! All of that, so good. Okay, so California, gonna be going out there. Gonna be traveling, going out with Cooper's family. We're gonna do Universal on the last day there. We're specifically doing Universal. Like, one of the things that we're looking for at Universal is trying to hit that Nintendo World, Super Mario World, whatever they're calling it. Looks so fun. It looks fun. Or cute. All of it. It looks immersive. It looks detailed. It looks a little Disney to me. Which I have been coming to see that a lot of companies are starting to give Disney a run for their money, which is good because honestly, I'm annoyed with them. So, all that time to pick up this taco and it just fell. Okay. Yum, 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 yum. My mistake. When I was dripping the grease off, it just got everywhere on these tacos, and wow. I didn't even touch these nachos. Dun. Let's see here. Nachos. Here's the hard thing about nachos for me. Is I want them smothered. Because if they're just plain tortilla chips, I don't want to eat that. Yeah. Everything's hitting. Okay. Universal, California, we're going. Next stop, Vegas. Vegas for the Beyonce concert. I'm going to see Beyonce. We're Cooper, Blakely, Vika, Alexis, None, Alani. There's name dropping over here. Turns out everyone's got tickets to go see the queen herself, Beyonce. We're going. I'm excited. And I have avoided all things on social media. Obviously, in passing, I've seen it's like, oh, Beyonce, Renaissance store. Renaissance store. I see the thumbnail. I scroll past and keep going. And I don't give in. Yeah, I just want to see it all myself for the first time with my own eyeballs. My own eyeballs. And then after that comes you, Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico. Yeah. And then anything else in between that ends up happening. Still dripping. That's just tortilla. So I'm gonna be done with that. These nachos, I might have to throw them in a plate and put it in the fridge because I don't think I can finish it right now. Which sucks because nachos. Yeah, I was talking about nachos on the happen. Nachos, they aren't good leftover. I like to reheat them in the air fryer. That's what usually does better. Ooh! Oh, I'm getting full. I'm a mess over here, but it's okay. Good thing I got this, huh? Very, 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 very full. So. Not me. I'm over here motivating myself to do it. Wash down and out. Well, thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching my mukbang back from the longest hiatus. I will definitely be back doing mukbangs. I told you about the videos coming up, or the trips, which will turn into videos. And definitely gotta put this in the fridge. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I'm over here publishing all my videos I'm gonna be publishing. And yeah, love y'all.